Welcome back and to day 6 of our 30-day nature connection challenge. So today's practice is called the weather station, and the idea is that we're going to use our bodies to detect the weather. This is actually something that you probably do already, but maybe not realise. We actually have far more senses than we can be consciously aware of. So it's good to find a spot just to settle and then just take in. I tend to start with the sensations on my skin, so noticing the temperature. I feel this quite strongly on my arms and hands, but you may feel it on your face. Just noticing whether it's the same temperature all across your body or whether it's different in different places. Noticing as well whether there's any air movement that might be quite obvious to you, whether any wind, whether it's sort of constant or it comes and goes, and what it does to the temperature, if the temperature is staying steady or if it's changing as the wind picks up maybe. Maybe just getting a sense of how it feels to you. If your weather has a character, what would that character be? Is it a sort of benign character? And does it maybe feel a little bit more menacing? Just noticing that, not really making any judgment, just getting a sense of it. Then maybe noticing if you can pick up any humidity, just whether the air feels damp or dry to you. Then perhaps noticing the quality of the light. You get a sense of what time of day it is by the quality of the light. Maybe it's overcast, maybe there's some sunshine coming through, maybe it's dark. Just seeing if you can get an idea without looking at a watch and without referring to your existing knowledge of what time of day it is, whether what your experience is fits. It's a good skill to get, to just connect the clues with your knowledge of the weather and the time of day. And then just taking in an overall impression. You might want to sort of now look at the clouds, seeing what clouds there are and what direction they're travelling in, using your eyes to detect the weather a little bit. Maybe just dropping the question as to whether there's any clue here about how the weather might be in the next 30 minutes or in the next hour or day. Not trying to answer this question with your mind, but just using your experiences to seeing what kind of day it feels like or what kind of night it feels like. This is definitely one to explore with, practice a little bit, and you may find that your predictions get better and you're joining the dots a little bit more about all the clues. and we'll revisit this practice later in the 30 days and extend it a little. So I'll see you back again tomorrow.